Grown on the Annona muricata tree, soursop has a green to dark green color and a prickly outside. On the inside, you've got a creamy white flesh that some have said actually tastes more like a strawberry and pineapple fruit combination with a sour citrus note. And yet still others say, no, it's actually more of a mango pineapple flavor combination. What's up everybody? I'm Andre, and this is Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world. So if you've never heard of soursop before, it actually goes by a bunch of different names. For example, Brazilian pawpaw, Graviola, and Soursop. It's also a cousin to the custard apple. According to ScienceDirect.com, soursop originates in northern South America or the Caribbean. But regardless of its origin, nowadays it's cultivated in many parts around the world. South America, the Caribbean, Mexico, Africa, China, Australia, and the USA. Did you know some soursop can grow as long as 30 centimeters? The crushed seeds in some parts of the world are used to kill parasites. The bark, roots, and leaves are used in teas. People eat soursop in many different ways. For example, dried soursop, soursop juice, smoothies, candy, tea, and soursop ice cream. In just 100 grams of soursop, you will find 66 calories, 1 gram of protein, 0.3 grams of fat, and 17 grams of carbs. Soursop also contain vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, iron, and zinc. Like most fruits and vegetables, soursop is also a great source of antioxidants. They may help to improve the health of your eyes, relieve stress, improve your gut health, improve your skin, your hair, and boost your immunity. But according to some doctors, not everybody should be eating soursop. If you have diabetes, you should avoid eating soursop. Some scientists found that soursop may lower your blood sugar. Are you taking drugs to lower hypertension? Some doctors say you shouldn't be eating soursop, as well as those with liver and kidney disease. So my advice to you, talk to your doctor first. Well guys, that's all I have for you this week. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment downstairs. Okay guys, I'm Andre. That was Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world. See you in the next video.